In our previous video, we kind of set the groundwork for the things to consider when you're getting ready to build your technology. This video, it's all about number one. It's all about the cheapest, easiest, maybe not so much, the cheapest way to get it done. What's up, guys? My name is George Brooks, and I'm one of the founders here at Crema. Now, don't be afraid. I'm gonna get super serious here. You can do this. Teach yourself to code. I know it's crazy, but you can do it. We've seen the industry just explode with educational content, and it's definitely more accessible to get it done now. And it's also the cheapest way to get it done. So here's some things to consider when you're thinking about learning to code to build your app yourself. Start with the internet. I know this sounds kind of like duh, but there are 1,000 tutorials online. A few to look at that we use here at Crema: Code Academy, Treehouse, Udacity. There's a lot of free videos inside of those platforms, but also some that you'll have to pay a little bit to go deeper and learn more. But you can do everything from being a beginner all the way through into really being a very good developer. So again, this is a really cheap way to get started. It's basically free. Next thing, start simple. Don't think too much about adding all the features that you want. Just start with the core product and start to slowly build out. And then lean on the community. Lean on the developers online. So go to places like Stack Overflow, or just Google different forums around the specific question, the specific challenge that you're having. The great thing about development is that because of the dawn of open source and collaboration online is that people enjoy helping others to become engineers, to become developers. So keep it simple, build your technology simple, and go to the community to ask questions to make it better. I think one thing to consider is maybe don't even try to code it, just fake it. You might just want to prove out whether or not the idea is good. We do this all the time here, and it's called prototyping. So instead, get some design software like Sketch or Adobe XD or InVision Studio, and then click it together with something like InVision or Balsamic or name your other prototyping tool into an experience that feels real, so that you can kind of prove out whether or not it's the right app or technology to build. Again, this is the cheapest way to get it done. You can almost do it for free. Kind of free. I mean, it's almost free. You need a computer. You need access to the internet. You might have to pay for some of the tutorials if you really get deep. You need a little bit of money for code editor. And then the last thing is you'll need a place to host your code. So look at GitHub or something like Heroku, which is a great kind of all-inclusive platform. But there's a cost to that. We're talking about next to no money. We're talking about a few $100s or a few $1,000s. Just remember, it takes a little bit longer. The quality might not quite be there yet, but the cost is nearly zero. Can't beat that. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is the first of 5 ways to get your app built. Next video, we'll talk about the second, maybe starting to spend a little bit of money, but the second way to get your app built. So we'll see you guys then.